nice. Look at the sky. Crazy hot. The sky is crazy, dude. 32 degrees. Ugh. There's cafe here. Cafe. Convenience store first. Air conditioner. Yes. I don't want to go somewhere else. So cool. What would you like to have? Energy drink? Yeah, for sure. And also a bottle of water. Let's buy. Crazy hot. Crazy. Here, babe.
Wanna take a picture there?
Well, you go first. I'm gonna take yours first.
เดินไปอีกอันหนึ่งลูกเดินทางโน้น
Sala. Monday to Friday.
I'm not hungry.
when I'm hungry, impatient. That's you. Impatience one is you. When I'm full, I'm really like patient. I think. Buon appetiti.
So how much is it? 70. Thirsty.
What would you like to buy here?
What?
You want to buy something here?
Thank you, sir. So we are going to have mixed smoothie, mango, banana, and avocado for the chummy.
It was for me, right?
For chummy, mango, avocado, and banana, and for me, avocado, coconut, and banana. Let's see which one will taste better.
You said yours yours gonna be best, right? You said that. Can I?
Yeah. I think yours is gonna be the best.
This is what we always have in Korea. Told you.
Because the avocado is healthy.
Cheers.
That way.